Of all the weird things I've done in my life, I think the weirdest thing is I created a channel for cats. Not a channel about cats, a channel for cats. I had this idea that came out of the pandemic. We started feeding the birds near our front porch, and the cats that we have were watching them. And so I got the idea, well, maybe I could shoot video on this. I had an old GoPro, and so I set it up, I shot some video. It was really cute, and I thought, well, I could start a YouTube channel on that. So I started a YouTube channel on that. And I was able to grow the list to over 1,000 followers and over 4,000 watch hours. So now the channel is monetized, and now the channel is making me money every day, which is really cool when you think about it. Now, at this point in time, I'm not to FU money or retirement money, but it is actually income, which is pretty cool. I spend way more time on it than what I'm getting paid for, but it's something that's kind of like a passion project of mine. It's something that I really enjoy doing. So no matter what your crazy idea is on something that you want to do, some passion project that you have, instead of like watching the next episode of a TV show, instead of just vegging out, scrolling through your phone, get started on it. Do it. Why not? I make videos for cats and make money. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Like my hair.